Hey everyone, are you seeing the error message? This operation couldn't be completed when trying to send messages, photos, or react on Messenger. This often happens due to network issues or app glitches. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it quickly and easily. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check if Messenger is down. Visit Down Detector in your browser. Search for Messenger. If there's a widespread outage, wait a while. The issue is on Facebook's side. You'll be able to send messages once their servers are back online. Solution 2. Clear Messenger cache. Open your phone's Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps. Find and tap Messenger. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Go back and reopen Messenger. Solution 3. Update the app. Open the Play Store or App Store. Search for Messenger. Tap Update if it's available. An outdated app can have bugs that cause errors like this. That's it. That this operation couldn't be completed error is usually temporary, and one of these steps should fix it. Comment below and let me know which step worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching.